So welcome to Google Classroom. The first thing we're going to do to get started is create a class. So to get to your Google Classroom account, you want to be logged into Google, and you go up here to the corner where you see the 9 squares and click, and if you click the More menu, you should find Google Classroom. When you get into Classroom, you'll see any classes you've previously created. For this course, you're going to create a course or a class that you will put content into to work through the modules of the course so that you're actively creating something that you can actually utilize in the classroom. So in order to create a class, you come up here to the plus sign. Notice you can also join somebody else's class. So I have a lot of educators that join another teacher's classroom to kind of see how they operate and how it works, especially teachers who might be teaching the same grade level and want to be able to share each other's content. You can even share an entire classroom with another instructor and be able to both create content, which I'll show you later. But just click on Create Class. And then you can give your class a name. Keep in mind that you could create a different class for every period of your school day, so you have no limitations to how many courses you create in here. So I'm going to do sample course for Google Classroom PD. You could give this class a section number if you wanted to. You could give it a subject and a room if you want. And you see it takes a second to create. And once it's created, it will pop up on your page. And there you go. New tips always pop up. So you see this right here, tells you to invite students to your class, and it gives you the class code right up at the top. That is the easiest way to get students to sign up for your class. They go to Google Classroom, they say join a class, same way that you did with the plus sign, and they enter that code and they are automatically part of your classroom. Hope this helped. Thank you.